What's good, Joe? Came back from work. Guys, I'm not gonna lie. I have discovered a weakness in my configuration for my terminal. I'm gonna leave the default shell, or not default oh my ZSH status line, because oh my goodness, today I was able to have a mono repo on cloned on my work laptop. Goodness gracious, that shit was bad. Like, my status line, every time that was 2 minutes later, and it was I need to I know what the issue is, because I've seen stuff like this before, because it's something with my oh my posh uses git fetch, or fetch git status or something like that, which is a very slow operation. I don't know what they use here that makes it a lot faster. Well, you're not gonna see it here because, because it's not. I don't have a fucking massive mono repo, but regardless, whoop de woo. That's all I can say. Today, let's make it simple because I need to go do some stuff. Yeah, welcome to day 151. I know yesterday was a big day at 150, so whoop de woo. Let's do something. Environment go. Let's add some more stuff here. So we can do new environment. We need to write a new thing here. Let's do new enclosed environment. Let's do that. So func new enclosed environment. Right, so what does this do? Create a new environment and make it dot outer to be an outer, and then return the environment. Okay, so what does that mean? So basically, environment. I'm gonna make a new environment. Take that. Then environment dot outer is equal to outer. That's my problem though. We don't have that defined. We will now, which is just an environment, right? Because I assume this is something to do with scopes, right? Yeah, whatever. So, dude, I really miss this keyboard. I think I'm gonna bring this to work because when I'm typing on the Mac, my fucking wrist hurt. And this is so much more friendlier. But the thing is, y'all, you guys don't. This is how fast this window manager is. I have Mac, which I set up aerospace on, which is good, but it's still not as buttery smooth as i3. I don't know. i3 is just beautiful. I just love i3. But so we need to tweak the get. So get has a little bit more stuff. So get will. So if not okay and e dot outer does not equal no, then right. So if not okay and e dot outer dot get name okay yep. Then obj okay equals e dot outer get name. Say does not equal no. Okay. Oh no. That's what we're good with. But everything else good. So that's for tweak. Yes, variable scopes. They're in an inner scope and an outer scope. If something is not found in the inner scope, it can be looked up in the outer scope. The outer scope encloses the inner scope, and the inner scope extends the outer one. With our updated object environment functionality, we can correctly evaluate function bodies. Remember, the problem was This is possibly overriding existing bindings in an environment when the binding of the function of a function calls to the parameter. Yeah. So if we go to the car expression, right, we can now adjust this a little bit, right? We don't want to override stuff that were made in, bad stuff. So args expressions return nil. Then we can return apply function args, yeah. And we have to make that apply function. So let's do that somewhere here. Let's do it here. Apply, okay, so func apply function. Oh crap. Object and then let me see. So arguments, okay. Args object dot object dot object dot function. Okay, so from here, if not okay, return new error, not a function object. Function fn dot type. Alright, so from here, extended environment, extend function environment. We have to make that as well. Function and args evaluated, which is eval the function and, or more like the function dot body, extended environment. Return unwrap return value. Okay, we have to make 2 more functions, but we'll do that tomorrow because I'm tired. Anyways, thanks for watching. I'll see you tomorrow. Peace.